The MSI Claw 8 AI is a cutting-edge gaming device designed to offer a high-performance experience for gamers and professionals alike. Design and build. The MSI Claw 8 AI is crafted for portability without compromising power. It features a sleek, modern design with an ergonomic layout, making it comfortable for extended use. The device incorporates a durable chassis and premium materials that enhance its aesthetic and longevity. Performance. This model is powered by Intel's Lunar Lake processors, offering exceptional multitasking capabilities and gaming performance. It includes integrated AI functionalities, such as adaptive cooling and resource allocation, which optimize performance based on usage demands. Display. The Claw 8 AI features a high-resolution display that ensures sharp visuals and vibrant colors, crucial for gaming and media consumption. The display is complemented by adaptive refresh rates, minimizing motion blur and providing a smooth gaming experience. Connectivity. It includes multiple connectivity options, including USB-C, HDMI, and high-speed wireless standards. This versatility ensures seamless integration with peripherals and external displays, enhancing its usability for gaming and productivity setups. Battery life. The Claw 8 AI offers a commendable battery life, designed to sustain long gaming or working sessions. Its adaptive AI features further help in conserving power, extending its usability during portable operation. Features. One standout feature is the device's AI integration, which optimizes system performance and enhances user experience. It also includes customizable RGB lighting, enabling users to personalize their setups. Overall, the MSI Claw 8 AI is a powerful and versatile device, suitable for gamers and professionals seeking high performance in a portable form factor. Its blend of cutting-edge hardware, AI capabilities, and a sleek design makes it a compelling choice in its category. Thank you so much.